Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2007 chemical engineering paper, thermodynamics and fluid mechanics question. Question number 30 is for two paths as shown in the figure, one reversible and one irreversible, to change the state of the system from A to B. So this is reversible path, this is reversible path. Okay. So this is PV diagram. Option A, del U, Q and W are same. Option B, del U is same. Option C, Q, W are same. Option D, del U, Q are different. Okay. So del U is the property of the system. So it is only the point function. It is not path dependent. Okay. So del U will be same, but W and Q are path functions, so they depend upon path. So they will be different for different path. So they will be different for irreversible and reversible path. So answer is there. W will be same. Next, for a pure substance, the Maxwell's relation obtained from the fundamental property relation du is equal to TdS minus PdV is option A curly T by curly V S constant is equal to minus curly P by curly S V constant. Option B curly P by curly T V constant is equal to curly S by curly V constant. And option C curly T by curly P S constant is equal to curly V by curly S P constant. Option D curly V by curly T P constant is equal to curly minus curly S by curly V T constant. Okay. Now we know that dz is equal to, if dz is equal to m dx and dy, then for z to be probability this condition should be satisfied. Curly n by curly y and curly n by curly x. Here x is constant, here y is constant. Okay. So applying it to this equation, as u is the property of the system. Okay. So curly t by curly b as constant and curly p by curly s b constant, and negative sign here. So answer is your option A. Next, which of the following represents the Carnot cycle, ideal engine? So this is the Carnot cycle with two isentropic processes and two isothermal processes. Okay. So answer is your C. Next, question number 33, question paper. 2 kg of steam in a piston cylinder device at 400 kPa and 175 degrees Celsius undergoes a mechanically reversible isothermal compression to a final pressure such that the steam becomes just saturated. What is the work W required for the process? T is equal to 175 degrees Celsius, P is equal to 400 kPa, V is equal to 0.503 meter cube per kilogram, U is equal to 2606 kilojoule per kilogram, S is equal to 7.055 kilojoule per kilogram per degree Kelvin. Okay, and second condition, T is equal to 175 degrees Celsius and saturated vapor. Okay, this is air pressure is handling. Okay, this is vapor. V is equal to 0.216 meter cube per kilogram. U is equal to 2579 kilojoule per kilogram. S is equal to 6.622 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay, options are A 0, B 230, C 334, D 388. Okay. Now using relationship TdS is equal to du is equal to PdY, we have this is the first law of thermodynamics. Q is equal to PdW plus du. Okay. So now we have this temperature same for both 175 and 175, and the entropy is different. Okay. So entropy S1 is your starting point. This is starting point. This is starting point. Okay. The entropy S1 is your 7.005 and entropy S2 is your 6.622. So S1 minus S2 is your this. Okay. So the heat TDS will be your 448.433. Okay. So this is your 193.842. Okay. So this will be negative because we have taken S1 minus S2. We have to take S2 minus S1 to calculate change. Okay. So this will be negative as starting point is at 400 kPa, 175 degrees Celsius. Okay. So TDS is your minus 193.984 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay. Now the second thing is your du. Okay. So du you here for first condition is this 2606 and for second condition is 2579. Okay. So du will be here 275 to u2 minus u1. Okay, that is minus 27 kJ per kilogram. Okay. And again that PdV. Okay. Now PdV will be found by using that relationship. So PdV is here minus 193.984 plus 27 du come here. Okay. So work done is your minus 166.987 kilojoule per kilogram. Okay. So this is your work done per kg because we have taken TDS per kg, sorry, heat per kg and du per kg. Okay. Now mass is your 2 kg. So the work done will be, total work done will be 2 into specific work done, so that is 333.974 kilojoule. Okay. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next, a pipeline system carries a crude oil of density 800 kilogram per meter cube. The volumetric flow rate at point 1 is 0.28 meter cube per second. The cross-sectional areas of branches 1, 2 and 3 are 0.012, 0.008 and 0.004 meter square respectively. All the three branches are in horizontal plane. The friction is negligible if the pressure at the points 1 and 3 are 270 kPa and 240 kPa respectively. Then the pressure at point 2 is, so this is your first 1, this is your 2, this is your 2. 1 is inlet and 2 is outlet, 2 and 3 are outlet. Okay. So we have to calculate pressure at this. Okay. 2. So options are 202 kPa, B 240 kPa, C 284 kPa, D 355 kPa. Okay. Now discharge at 1 is 0.28. Okay, that is 0.28. Area at 1 is this 0.012 and area at 2 is your 0.08 and area at 3 is your 0.004. Okay. Now we can equate discharge A1 E1, sorry, A1 Q1 is A1 V1 and Q1 is your this. Okay. So and V1 A1 is V1. So V1 we can find out velocity at 1. Similarly, we can find out velocity at 2 and velocity at 3. Okay. Sorry, velocity at because Q2 and Q3 are unknown. Okay, so we cannot find V2 and V3, but we have relationship between velocity and discharge. Okay, because area is given. Okay, now applying Bernoulli's equation at 1 and 3. Okay, so at 1 and 3, the pressure at pressure at 1 and 3 are given, that is 270 kPa and 240 kPa. Okay, so applying Bernoulli equation at and V1 is given, so we can find out V3. Okay, so P1 is given, P2, P3 is given, V1 is we have found out, so we can find out V3. So V3 comes out at 24.885 meter per second. Okay, and from this relationship we can find out Q3. Okay, so Q3 comes out at 0.09554 meter cube per second. Now Q3, now Q1 is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3, and we have Q1, we have Q2, sorry, we have Q3, so we can find out Q2, and after finding out Q2, we can find out V2. Okay, so V2 is this. Okay, now we can apply Bernoulli equation at 1 and 2, 1 and 2, because we know P1, we know P2, and so we are only unknown thing is your P2. So P2 is your 284.178 kPa, ठीक है।